Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you physics of class 10th, sources of energy, chapter 14. Previous lecture I have explained about the solar energy. Here you will study the solar energy used by us with in the different forms. First of all, you know about the solar constant. Solar constant is a constant derived as a where the sun energy falls on the earth normally, means perpendicularly, per second per meter square. Amount of solar energy, that is 1.4 kilojoule per second per meter square. Area perpendicularly, normally it is falls on the earth, so it is known as 1.4 kilowatt per meter square. But this solar energy which is falling on the earth is not received by the earth, but it is a less amount is earth receiving, less than the solar constant. It is less amount than the solar constant is absorbed received by the earth. Reason is large amount of the solar energy is absorbed by the atmosphere of the earth which is present here. Atmosphere is the surrounding by the different type of air and gases. So envelope of this, which you know in class 8th also. Upper part of the atmosphere called ozone layer, which absorbed the ultraviolet radiations. Ultraviolet radiation absorbed by this, and then the energy reaches us. But this solar energy used by different device. These devices name is, one is solar cooker, one is solar water heater, one is solar cell, and solar cell gives you the solar panel. Now what is the solar cooker? Cooker you know very well. Solar cooker is a device which is very important for cooking the food. In the solar cooker, earlier there was only one type of the solar cooker. Now the technology is increased and you have got the two type of solar cooker. First you use, what is the solar cooker? Solar cooker is a device which is using the sun radiation to cook the food. Simple cooker is using the gas radiation, gas energy in a heater, otherwise other things, so cook the food. But here solar energy, sun energy. What is the principle of this? It is based on totally the facts that the black surface, it is based on the black surface absorbed the more heat. You know, in the summer we wear the white clothes. So here black surface absorbs the more as heat as compared to the white. And another principle of this is reflecting surface under a identical condition. Reflecting surface is also used, otherwise it will not work. Then what is the construction of the solar cooker? Generally it is very important topic. The construction of the solar cooker, there is a one wooden box, there is a one metal box, inside a black, which is kept inside of the wooden block. Insulator metal like a thermocol is placed between the wooden block box and the metal box, and then there is a thick glass sheet. This is covered the containers kept inside, which is stop the radiation from inside. Plane mirror as a reflector, which is placed in the lid of the cooker and which collect the sunlight and reflect it through by the reflection laws of reflection of light, and enter into the cooker. Metal containers which will be kept into the box, these four small containers generally, and it is outside black, inside it is a steel aluminium, absorbed very easily, it is heated, and outside it is a black color, so it absorbs the more heat. And like this you will get a box of wood, and then there is another box which is metal. In the metal, which is a inside also it is a black, but there is a container, small container, there is a four containers, and these containers are outside black, and it is a reflector this side in the lid, which is called the mirror, plane mirror used here. Here is a everything is given, and glass is kept on this, to which heat go inside. After the reflection, heat falls on the glass and it go inside, and from inside it will not come out. It is protect the heat inside. So another, it is temperature range inside, that is the 100 degree centigrade to 140 degree centigrade for boil the food. Boiling food you can prepare. But nowadays, because of technology, concentrator type means it is concentrate at one place, collect at one place type solar cooker, which there is a mirror in 7th standard given, concave mirror. So for this you are getting the concentrator type solar cooker. It has a large mirror which is called the concave. Concave mirror is a parabolic. It is a like curved mirror like this. Inside and outside is painted. It is called the concave mirror, which is called the collecting the lights at one place, centralize the light at one place. So it is placed as in a stand, and this stand reflect all the sunlight to another concave mirror which is placed here. First all the maximum sunlight outside it is there, maximum sunlight is take and trapped on this, and this again reflect and it will go under the container, black color container, and this container temperature or anything raised till 120 degree centigrade, 200 degree centigrade from 180 degree centigrade, and this is suitable for baking and frying and making chapatis. Baking is making chapatis. What is the advantage? It has no pollution. Cost of cooking is very less because you are not paying, just previous lecture I have told, any bill, only purchasing and one time investment. Nutritional food value is rich because vitamins and everything is only boiled food you are cooking. At the same time, more than two are food you can cook because it contains the more than 2 containers. There is 4 containers generally in big. Limitations: what? Not used to cook in night because you will not get the light. Cloudy day you cannot use it, and take more time to cook. It is not that 1.5 hours you can cook. It will take 4 to 5 hours. And direction of the refractor: morning east sun rises and sets at west, so according to sun rays you change the direction of the reflector. For chapati you will use the second type of the solar cooker, which is called the concentrator type of the cooker, which collect the light at one place. Another is solar cell. Another type cooker is over. The second device is solar cell. It is used in many places like a calculator, wristwatch, satellites, and producing the electricity. It is called the photovoltaic cell, PB. Photovoltaic, P for PHO. Photovoltaic cell means, photo means light and voltaic means electricity. Light energy change into electrical energy. Now, how cell convert the sunlight directly into the electricity. Sunlight directly in the electricity you convert. So solar cell is made of semiconductors such as silicon. Simple solar cell consists of the sandwich, sandwich bread, in between there is a layer of the sauce and other all. Like this you will get a layer, silicon boron layer. One layer is the upper part and one is the silicon arsenic layer in the lower part, which is called N layer. P layer and N layer is separated by a one very small thing, and there is a black color container, and top is covered by the glass. Solar cell used direct change the sun energy into the electrical energy. Now you will see there is a solar cell panel. What is the solar cell panel? It is a large number of the solar cell connected in the definite pattern is called the solar cell. Solar cell and solar panel both are not the same. Cell means single cell. Panel is a set of number of cells which is combined in definite pattern, and this cell many large amount of cell is joined. These cells are joined together, not simply put. It will join by a silver metal, because silver metal is a best conductor of the electricity, and it converts the solar energy in DC current, direct current, not AC current, only in the daytime, and it is stored into a batteries, charge the battery for the use in night. So that's why it is a costly. Domestic use, domestic purpose, TV radio purpose, and water pumping is for irrigation of the field, artificial satellites for the source of energy, and its advantages are it has no any moving part to remove the parts when it is by rubbing over the each other. Some places it is difficult to move for long time. So use in remote and rural areas where light is not reaches. No maintenance because one time investment. Use without light focusing device. There is no any mirrors you are using. No noise it is, and any type of pollution it is giving. What is the limitations? You can't use. You can use in the limit. Silicon is limited present in the nature, and that's why it is very limited. Expensive because of the silver is very costly. Low efficiency, only 25% of the light energy falling on its device is converted into the electricity. That's why it has some limitations. Sunshine is very important. So today you have finished the solar cooker and solar cell. In the next lecture we will discuss about the other part of this chapter. Thanks.